Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, I will show you how to share a draft on TikTok. So first, when you open your TikTok app, now tap on the plus icon at the bottom to create a post. Now from here, you can take a photo, or I want to tap this upload and go to my gallery and choose a video right here or a photo. For example, I want to choose this one. Now if you want to save this as draft, tap on the back arrow at the top left corner, and then you'll find discard or save draft. So just tap on save draft, and as you can see, draft save. Now to see all drafts, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. And from here, as you can see, I have 3 drafts. So just tap this one. And if you want to post or repost one of these drafts right here, all you need to do is tap on that draft. And here, it's so easy to share this one or post. You just tap on the next button, that's the bottom right. Then here on everyone can view this post. If you tap this one, choose this only you. And here on more options, if you tap this one, you have an option right here to save it to your device. So just toggle on this save to device. And then once you've done right here, tap on X and tap on post. And once you've done posting this draft right here, and you can always find that draft that I've saved to my device, for example, this one. And to share this one, tap on the share icon at the bottom left and find that TikTok application. Then tap this one, and you are automatically directly go to your TikTok application, and you can just repost this one, or you can edit this photo, you can add some text, some emojis that you want. And once you've done, tap on this next button, and you will now repost this photo right here that saved from the draft. So that's how you basically share your drafts on TikTok. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.